Good morning, students. Now we are studying inverse trigonometric function. In inverse trigonometric function, we have already studied about the principal value branch of inverse trigonometric function and also some properties of inverse trigonometric function. So the next properties of your inverse trigonometric function is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y each equals to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is your next properties of inverse trigonometric function. So if we want to prove it, then let tan inverse x equal to suppose theta and tan inverse y equal to suppose phi. This implies that if we are taking tan on both sides, then we get x equal to tan theta and y equal to tan phi. And suppose we are going to find out the value of tan theta plus phi. So by applying the formula tan a plus b or tan x plus y, the formula is tan theta plus tan phi by 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. So this equal to your, in place of tan theta we can put x and in place of tan phi we can put y. So x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is in place of what? Tan theta plus phi. So we get tan theta plus phi equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. Then if I am taking inverse on both the sides, then tan inverse and tan becomes cancel and we get theta plus phi equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. In place of theta I can put tan inverse x and in place of phi we can put tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, and this is our next properties of inverse trigonometric function. So if suppose I am putting minus y in place of y, suppose I am putting minus y in place of y, let y equal to, let us substitute minus y in place of y, then this expression becomes tan inverse x becomes x plus tan inverse, in place of y you can put minus y equal to tan inverse. In the right side also we have to put minus y in place of y, that is x plus minus y by 1 minus x into minus y. So this implies that tan inverse x In the previous classes we have already studied about the formula or the properties of tan inverse minus theta, that is minus tan inverse theta. So this is equal to minus tan inverse y, this is equal to tan inverse, and this becomes x plus or minus y is minus y by 1 minus minus plus 1 plus x into y, and this is our next property, that is tan inverse x plus y, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So these are the two properties, and by applying these two properties we are going to solve some examples. Okay, I am solving one example, and according to you, according to the example, you have to solve your homeworks. Okay, so these are the two formulas, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to 1 tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So let us take first example, that is prove that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. So we have to prove it. So in LHS, in left hand side, it is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we can apply the formula in the left hand side. So by taking left hand side, that is tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 is equal to, we can apply the formula, that is tan inverse, in place of x it is 2 by 11 and in place of y it is 7 by 24. So tan inverse x plus y 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Okay, so there is we have to take the LCM of 11 and 24. So rather multiplying, I am taking the LCM as 11 into 24, because in the denominator, in the LCM of the denominator also we get 11 into 24, then 11 into 24, 11 into 24 cancel out from both the numerator and denominator. Okay, so 11 by 24, 24 into 2 is 48 plus 7 into 11 is 77 divided by, here also the LCM is 11 into 24 and 11 into 24 minus 7 into 24 is 14. This is equal to tan inverse 48 plus 77, 125 by, this is your 11 and 24, 11 into 24 both are cancel out from the denominator. Then in the denominator we get 11 into 24, that is 24 to 64 minus 14, this is equal to tan inverse, we get 125 divided by 240. So this is equal to 125 by 240. So 125 and 240 cancel out to get 1 by 2. So this is equal to, we get tan inverse 1 by 2, which is our right hand side. So right hand side it is tan inverse 1 by 2, and we have also proved this equal to tan inverse 1 by 2, which is our right hand side. So in this way, by using the property, we can solve the proof that type question, and also if some equations are also given, trigonometric equations, then we can solve these equations also. Okay, so note down your homeworks. Note down your homeworks and send it in the pics of the homework solved is to be sent in your WhatsApp group. Okay. So the questions are, two questions are there. The first question is prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 is prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. And another question is there, prove that tan inverse 3 by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 6 equal to tan inverse 14 by 27. So these are your homeworks. So in this class we have learned about tan inverse x, the formulas of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, and also we have solved one example regarding the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So you have to watch out the video carefully and try to solve these questions and send the pics in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.